All right, since I wasn't getting far with that project, I got another project. We're gonna just try to clean this thing up a little bit and go from there. All right, I just got this thing put back together. It's 11 o'clock at night, so I'll come out in the morning and give you guys a good look at it. But check this bitch out. "44-year-old motorcycle just come out looking sharp." Well, guys, I think it cleaned up pretty good. I wasn't looking for perfect. Obviously that taillight's all screwed up, but I wasn't looking for perfect. I'm just trying to seal everything up. I didn't get any good content because I was trying to beat this rain that came in last night, but damn, I think it come out pretty slick. Y'all let me know.